I'm Miss Abadala, this is Chanel, and I'm going to be doing a heart dissection, and it's going to be on the pig heart. This is my piece of paper that I have to list the different sections of the heart that we're going to be naming. So let's get started. So first we have a little extra. I went ahead and took it off. This is the pericardium. It surrounds the outside of the heart. Really tough material. This flap right here, this is the right auricle. The larger flap here, this is the left auricle. This is the great cardiac vein. It sits within the interarterial sulcus. This is the right coronary artery. And if you notice, it branches off in different directions to different vessels, but this is the right coronary artery. You open it up and turn it around so it's a little bit easier to visualize. There's this little flap right here, and this is a valve, and this valve leads to a pocket. When filled up, is commonly known, you can probably see my probe going there, as the right atrium, and it sits right up underneath the right auricle. Okay, turning it back around, you have another valve here, and this leads to this is known as the bicuspid valve, and it leads to the left atrium, which is this whole space back here. And I don't think I named the tricuspid valve. So going back again, this valve right here is the tricuspid. A little hard to visualize, but it's a flap. There's some of the tissue, it's a flap, and it leads directly into the right atrium. And this is the bicuspid valve, and it leads to the left atrium. Okay, moving on. You notice the areas around here have thinner tissue, and these are the right ventricles. And this area is surrounded by thicker tissue, and these are the left ventricles. You notice here and in here. This muscular piece right here, this is the interventricular septum. It separates the right ventricles from the left ventricles. So this is the interventricular septum, and it's found on both sides, once again, to separate the left ventricle from the right ventricle. Next, you have the chordae tendineae. This is the best visualization here. These are chordae tendineae here. And they're also here. More chordae tendineae. You have the superior vena cava, and that's here. Papillary muscles. There's one here, and there's one here. This is the aorta. This large opening here is the aorta. And this is the apex, the point of the heart tip. Alright, and that'll be all for today's dissection video. Have a nice day.